We're regularly speaking to children and young people, we're regularly speaking to people that work with children and young people, and what we're constantly hearing is about things, I guess, that young people don't have access to. And so one of the things that kept coming up was around whether it was about access to actually tech, like having laptops and things at home, but also just general skills that we're making assumptions that a lot of us will have.
We assume that all young people know about the internet. They know how to work phones, they know how to use computers, they know how to write CVs. We think they know how to do all these things, but quite frankly, they don't.
The Digital Futures programme was designed to try to address the digital poverty divide within Oxfordshire, and we recognise that Oxfordshire is seen to be a very affluent county, but within that there are really big pockets of deprivation where 1 in 5 children are living in poverty.
Working with Insight was brilliant because we were able to work with them and our partners Intel to provide funding and devices that have enabled us to digitise our Young Leaders programme, which has allowed us to make our programme significantly more accessible for young people. And we've been using that to upskill youth workers, so Oxfordshire youth staff, in improving their digital skills and digital literacy, which then helps them with their work directly with the young people that we work with.
With 33 Oxfordshire youth staff receiving a total of 205 hours of digital skills training and 60 hours of digital skills training being delivered to young people.
And then also doing direct work with young people through our Digital Futures workshop. These are week-long programmes where we take young people in the OX4 area of Oxford, working with some of the most disadvantaged young people to try and bridge the digital divide, which I think is a real issue that a lot of people do not have a huge amount of awareness of.
Young people are coming into a space that they don't know. They're meeting other young people they don't know. They're meeting staff they don't know. And a lot of it will be completely brand new to them. And so right at the beginning of the week, all those other factors included, plus the fact that they're being told by the end of the week, you're going to have a website, you're going to have the opportunity to make a game, you're going to film a video using green screen, and you're going to be able to put in effects, you're going to edit it.
I learned how to make a game with Rosebud AI. We green screened us in a green screen, then we put ourselves in a game.
I was even not sure what a green screen was. I thought that green screen was something that cost like £10,000 to put up, and then there are loads of pictures behind it. I was so surprised. So it was really fun, and I learned lots of stuff.
You have young people saying, or not really believing, am I going to be able to do that? Or even the idea that they're going to show other people, and it's straight away no, I'm not showing anybody what I've done. Come to the end of the week now, what's happening in the other room is that, do you want to show people what you've done this week? And yeah, they absolutely do.
8 young people achieved the ILM Level 2 award in leadership and team skills, and a further 3 young people achieved a total of 27 AQA Unit Award Scheme certificates, covering a range of leadership topics.
Working directly with Intel and Insight has been the most valuable piece of being able to really take expertise working in digital, in AI, in tech, and bringing that to us as an organisation who has the skills and the reach around work with young people, bringing that together and being able to create a programme that's really accessible, that's bringing that learning.
As with all good projects, it starts with key relationships. I was aware that Intel had a significant amount of budget available for Tech for Good related projects, and really there was a huge opportunity to join the dots between this problem really that exists where large business has available funds, but they don't always have the scaling capability to be able to deliver that at local level. It's increasingly important to be able to deliver and demonstrate localised social value. And so part of the role that Insight's been able to deliver is that consultancy of what good could look like. A huge amount of money and funding coming from large business. How can they spend that to get the best effect and be able to deliver the programme that they're working on in the best way?
Programmes like this raise awareness, increase partnership between charitable organisations and large organisations like Insight and Intel, but also with more local digital organisations. And I think that this is a really good template for how that can be taken forwards with a local grassroots approach to tackling the digital divide across the country.